You plug in the USB to RS485 adapter, open your Modbus tool, and the COM port list is empty. Here's the checklist that fixes it 99% of the time. First, drivers. Cheap adapters use CH340 or prolific chips, and Windows doesn't always have the driver. Open Device Manager. If you see a yellow warning under ports or an unknown USB device, install the chip vendor's driver, not the adapter brands. FTDI chips mostly just work. Second, order of operations. If the adapter was plugged in after your software started, refresh the port list. Here the drop-down re-enumerates ports on click. Also check the port isn't already held open by another program. Serial ports are exclusive, one app at a time. Third, prove the chain. With a null modem pair or the adapter's loopback, connect the simulator to the port and hit auto-detect. If frames flow here, your adapter and driver are fine, and the problem is the device wiring. A and B swapped is the classic. There's a full written walkthrough on the site, and the simulator is free to try for 30 days. It's the quickest serial sanity check you can own. Modbussimulator.com, link below.